Understanding slide maintenance in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, slide maintenance. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive right in. Slide maintenance is a compound noun, which means it's made up of two words that combine to express a single idea. The word slide in this context refers to a surface for sliding, like in playgrounds or presentations, like PowerPoint slides. Maintenance refers to the act of keeping something in good condition. So, when we put these together, slide maintenance can have two meanings. It can mean maintaining a physical slide, like in a park, or maintaining the quality and effectiveness of presentation slides. 2.1 In a playground context. In a playground setting, slide maintenance might involve checking for safety, ensuring the surface is smooth and clean, and making repairs. Here, the phrase is quite literal. 2.2 In a business or educational setting. In contrast, in a business or educational setting, slide maintenance usually refers to updating or improving presentation slides. This might involve correcting errors, updating information, or making the slides more visually appealing. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The park slide maintenance is scheduled for next Monday. 2. She spends a lot of time on slide maintenance to ensure her lectures are up to date. Notice how the context changes the meaning of the phrase. And that's all for today's lesson on slide maintenance. Whether it's keeping a playground safe or making sure a presentation is perfect, this phrase has a versatile application. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or phrases you'd like us to explore, leave a comment below. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.